Baby step number 5 from Dave Ramsey. Save up for your kids' college or university or any post-secondary education, basically. Now, I'm more along the lines of Dave Chilton. He's a Canadian finance guy, but I also do highly respect Dave Ramsey, even though I disagree on a few things. For the most part, I've been following his plan and it's been working out for me really well. The reason Dave Ramsey says that you should invest in your kids' future is because to set them up for a successful life. And not so much now and maybe not down in the future, but post-secondary was highly valued until recently. And to get a job, you basically needed a university degree or at least a college diploma. Now, not so much, but it's a great gift to give your children. So the reason I don't necessarily agree with Dave Ramsey on this is because less and less are employers looking for post-secondary education. However, that could be an asset as fewer people go to college. You could see a comeback of that being an asset on the job market. So it's a good idea to have that gift ready for your children so that they don't start life off with debt, or even so that they can focus fully on their schooling and not have to have a full-time or even a part-time job next to their studies. So basically figure out roughly how much schooling would cost for 4 years for each child, and then go to this calculator, this compound interest calculator, just to figure out the inflation rate, which is between 2 and 3% for the most part. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in 3% right there. And I'm gonna say right now, a college degree, $40,000 for 4 years. When I went, it was less than that, but I'm sure it's gone up. And regular additions, this site does not let you put in anything less than $1 a year, but that's negligible. So $40,000 in, I'll say 15 years. No, yeah, 15 years. We'll see our kids are already 3 years old. Inflation rate, 3%. All right, 40,000. So how much will it be in 15 years if you factor in inflation? $62,000. So your goal is to save $62,000 per child with these numbers. And again, you have to kind of play with the numbers to figure out how much you'd have to set aside. So if you do find a great mutual fund, check out the video at the end, I'll put it here, where I explain how to find really good mutual funds. So we'll say a 10% mutual fund. And now you're just gonna play with the numbers a bit. How much would it take with $0 started, and we'll say contribute monthly. How many dollars do you have to contribute monthly for in 15 years to have $62,000? So let's start off with $100 a month. That's not a whole lot considering 62,000. If I get anywhere close, I will be blown away. Okay, 40,000. That's not too bad. That's pretty close. So let's say 20 more. I'm just guessing here. I'll say 30 more. $130 a month for a full ride to college. Oh, it's a little more. Okay, $150 it is. $150. Oh. All right, let's see what $150 gives us. All right, so $150. So if you put away $150 a month in a good mutual fund for your 3-year-old child, in 15 years, if they don't get any scholarships or bursaries or any help other than you will have enough money for $62,000. And don't forget, you don't have to pay the whole 4 years up front. So you can probably reduce it and just kind of keep building it over the period of time when your child is in college. So the first year, you'll only need $15,000 and you withdraw probably $7,500 in September and then $75,000 in January. So you still have some money that'll keep growing. So it can be a little bit less than $150, but I recommend doing it this way to have the full cost at the start of the 4 years. If you have any questions about this, hit me up in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button. And if financial planning, personal finances, budgeting is your thing, hit the subscribe button and keep up with all this content. I'll be posting regularly. Also, I plan on retiring a millionaire, so keep me accountable and keep commenting below and tell me how you plan on retiring. Whether you have a pension or you're gonna have to fund your own retirement, let me know. Until next time, cheers.